"11 Yorks Lane" here in Eastern Passage is one of 2 single-family homes priced under $400,000. I have 3 beds, 1 bath, plenty of storage space. If you've been shopping for a while and have missed out, or if you're just starting your real estate journey, you've got to come see this one. Come on inside. Let's go have a tour. And this concludes our tour. I want to thank you very much for watching through to the end. As you can see, this 3-bedroom, 1-bath home here in Eastern Passage, priced under $400,000, has an awful lot to offer. If you have an agent, get in touch with them, have them bring you through. If you'd like me to give you a tour, I'd be happy to. Eastern Passage has a lot to offer. This property is literally 400 meters away from the ocean's edge. It's waiting for new owners. Thanks very much.